On the afternoon of April 7, 2026, Chaozhou City was suddenly affected by a new round of severe convective weather. Against the backdrop of intensified warm and humid airflow and accumulated atmospheric instability, convective cloud clusters rapidly developed over the urban area, bringing a complex combination of strong winds, frequent thunder, and heavy rainfall. Urban operations were noticeably impacted during the event. According to multiple sources, the weather situation changed abruptly that afternoon. The previously calm sky quickly became covered by thick clouds, visibility dropped significantly, and heavy rain intensified rapidly within a short period, forming an intense and concentrated precipitation event. The rainfall, accompanied by gusty winds, showed noticeable lateral drift, further disturbing outdoor conditions. This round of rainfall was characterized by sudden onset, high intensity, and relatively concentrated duration. Shortly after it began, drainage pressure in the city increased rapidly, and multiple main roads and low-lying areas experienced water accumulation. As the rain continued, water levels in some sections rose to knee height, challenging the road drainage capacity. Under the impact of short-duration heavy rainfall, some drainage systems were overloaded, resulting in reduced efficiency and temporary functional limitations. Rainwater accumulated on roads, expanding the area of flooding and creating localized inundation. Water flow around certain manholes surged, further increasing the risk to traffic. Traffic operations were directly affected. Flooded roads and heavy rainfall reduced roadway capacity, forcing vehicles to slow down. On deeper flooded sections, vehicles encountered increased resistance and reduced stability, with some forced to stop due to excessive water depth, causing temporary congestion. Some local residents described the situation as vehicles moving like boats, illustrating both the depth of flooding and the difficulty of passage. Meanwhile, sudden rainfall disrupted daily travel for residents. Some pedestrians could only take shelter nearby when the downpour arrived, while others waded through flooded streets, facing potential safety hazard. Low-lying shops along the streets faced the risk of water backflow and took emergency protective measures to minimize losses. Meteorological authorities reported that in some parts of Chaozhou, the accumulated rainfall within a short period reached the level of a heavy rainstorm, accompanied by gusty winds. Relevant warning signals were issued and upgraded according to standard procedures, indicating the high intensity of the rainfall and urging strengthened precautionary measures. Experts noted that this event is a typical springtime severe convective weather episode. The continued influx of warm and humid air, combined with upper-level dynamic conditions, increased atmospheric instability, rapidly triggering and developing convective systems, leading to a sharp rise in short-term rainfall intensity. Such weather is often sudden, unevenly distributed in space, and can have pronounced local impacts, putting pressure on urban drainage systems and traffic operations.
小美说喜欢看海，于是我带她来潮州，这就是我们著名的潮人故乡潮州的海，波涛汹涌，浪起一片桃花。
Currently, local authorities are patrolling key flood-prone roads, organizing efforts to divert water, and guiding traffic in affected areas to reduce adverse impacts from heavy rainfall.
Not bad.
阿姐唔係就乜嚟？
Residents are advised to closely follow the latest meteorological information, plan their travel accordingly, and avoid low-lying areas during heavy rain to ensure personal safety. Meteorological departments also indicated that atmospheric conditions in southern China will remain unstable in the coming period. Convective activity may continue, and short-term heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, and strong winds remain possible. Relevant agencies and the public should remain vigilant and take precautions in advance to mitigate the risks posed by extreme weather.